This 2025 Heartland Torque TQ 371 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 7, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, air conditioning, skylight, microwave, slide-out, refrigerator, external shower, self-contained, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Heartland Torque TQ 371 is 14,208 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.